Welcome back to Path and Plate. Today I'm cooking an easy, what I have on hand, gluten-free noodle and ground hamburger with melted onions and peppers. In our household, we are gluten-free, egg-free, and soy-free most of the time. And today we're starting with melted onions. White onions because I understand they have the most moisture content. This recipe for the onions comes from ThatDudeCanCook and his holiday prime rib recipe I discovered at Christmas. So good. Once these onions start to release their water, we add in the butter, lots of it, 6 to 8 ounces. And don't worry at all, it won't be too rich. So simple. And the melted butter makes this meal feel really special. Lots of butter. And here's our ingredient list for today. Of course, the white onion, water and butter that we've already started, the gluten-free Jovial spaghetti noodles, bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange, salt and pepper, and Parmesan cheese. These onions are looking so good. We'll let them continue melting. We'll let them sit on the back of the stove and sort of simmer. And we'll go ahead and start chopping our peppers. So all the recipes that I make here are really focused on bringing everyone to the table, even if they have modern dietary choice needs or allergies that need to be accommodated. In my family, like I said, we have soy allergy, egg allergy, and gluten-free needs that need to be accommodated often. So, in the spirit of hospitality, I try to make only one meal that accommodates everyone. This way, I don't have extra work or dishes, and I guess that's kind of selfish, but I think nevertheless, no one is having a separate meal, and no one feels deprived. We just have one incredible, flavor-packed meal that is gluten-free, egg-free, and soy-free. Most of the time I can accommodate this and everyone can just dig in and enjoy. Once they begin to soften, we'll add in some ground hamburger. Now let's pop over here and check on the noodles I have going and add some salt to the equation. You can see those onions in the background there simmering nicely. Now let's add the hamburger meat. Now I usually use 20% fat, ground, grass-fed, grass-finished beef because I like the fat for brain health, but you could use the lean ground as well, especially if your dietary choice is lower fat, and since we're adding so much butter. Hamburger's coming along nicely. Let's check on the other ingredients that have been simmering while we were preparing the meat. Those noodles look fantastic. The ground hamburger is almost ready. And those onions, the star of this show, look amazing. We'll go back and add some parm to those noodles for some nice umami packed flavor. A perfect complement to the melted buttered onions. And having removed the beef and peppers from the pan, let's quickly saute some broccoli and add some EVO to help them along. Now, I seem to not have the video of us mixing it all up together, but here you can see it all combined into one healthy, flavor-packed, allergy-friendly meal that everyone can enjoy. If you like recipes like this that bring everyone to the table, even if they have allergies or modern dietary choice needs, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm Lavon, and this is Path and Plate, where food is delicious and hospitality reigns supreme.